In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant could not enter matchmaking error. Click on Windows search bar and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one and press enter after each. ipconfig space slash flush DNS and NETSH space winsock space reset. Once done, restart your computer. Now, open Windows search bar again and type network. Then click on network status. Then click on network reset. Now, click on reset now option. To do that in Windows 11, open Windows settings. Click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset, then confirm the reset. Now restart your PC. Now open Control Panel. Go to Network and Internet and click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings on the left panel. Right-click on your active internet connection and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses, then enter. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8, alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK to apply the changes. Restart your computer. Now, open Valorant and check if the matchmaking error is resolved. That's it. Your Valorant matchmaking error should now be fixed. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.